Imagine you are standing at the front of a very long line at JFK Airport in New York. Behind you, 100 tired travelers are sighing and checking their watches. The agent behind the desk looks at you and asks a fast, muffled question. Your heart starts to race. Your mind goes completely blank. You know the words are in your head somewhere, but they just won't come out. You feel your face getting hot as you stumble over a simple hello. Please do not worry. We have all been there. Today, we're going to build your language safety net so you can travel with peace of mind. Let's practice together.
These are your survival phrases. They are short and powerful. Listen, then repeat. I have a reservation. I have a reservation. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Passport and ticket, please. Passport and ticket, please. Is this the gate for London? Is this the gate for London? Window seat, please. Window seat, please. How much is a taxi to the city center? How much is a taxi to the city center? Let's pause for a moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Now exhale slowly. It is okay to speak slowly. Speed is not the goal, clarity is. You are doing great. Now, let us go through check-in, security, and customs. You can handle this. I would like to check one bag. I would like to check one bag. Does this bag go straight to my final destination? Does this bag go straight to my final destination? I am traveling for vacation. I am traveling for vacation. I have nothing to declare. I have nothing to declare. Where can I find a luggage trolley? Where can I find a luggage trolley? What time does boarding start? What time does boarding start? If you do not understand someone, just say, "Could you repeat that slowly, please?" People are usually happy to help if you ask kindly. You have the right to take your time. You've landed. Now, let's get you settled into your hotel and finding your way around the city. Is breakfast included in the price? Is breakfast included in the price? Can I leave my luggage here until check-in? Can I leave my luggage here until check-in? The Wi-Fi isn't working in my room. The Wi-Fi isn't working in my room. Could you point me toward the nearest subway station? Could you point me toward the nearest subway station? Is it within walking distance? Is it within walking distance? Could you call a taxi for me, please? Could you call a taxi for me, please? Notice your shoulders. Are they up near your ears? Let them drop. Relax your jaw. You are safe, and you are learning a beautiful new skill. Sometimes things do not go as planned. These phrases will help you solve problems like a pro. I'm sorry, I think there's a mistake on my bill. I'm sorry, I think there's a mistake on my bill. My flight was cancelled. What are my options for rebooking? My flight was cancelled. What are my options for rebooking? Is there a shuttle service that goes to the airport? Is there a shuttle service that goes to the airport? Could I have a late checkout at 1 p.m.? Could I have a late checkout at 1 p.m.? Excuse me, I seem to be lost. Can you show me where I am on this map? Excuse me, I seem to be lost. Can you show me where I am on this map? I'd like to upgrade to a suite if there is one available. I'd like to upgrade to a suite if there is one available. If this video is helping you feel more confident about your next trip, perhaps you would like to join our community. You can subscribe to stay with us for more calm, supportive lessons. We would love to have you here as you grow. You did a wonderful job today. Truly. Remember, communication is about connection, not perfection. If you forget a word, use your hands, use a translation app, or show a picture on your phone. The world is waiting for you, and you will be just fine. Safe travels.